Hey, welcome back again. This is a part two of creating voice agents. And in this session, we are going to talk about how you have to create a voice agent. What are the things which you need to be considered while building that? And what going to be a challenges which is going to comes while you are building those voice agents and the architecture overview and which are the tools and protocols which needs to be considered building the voice agent. So let's dive into the voice agent stack component. The major concern to build a real-time voice agent with human intelligence capabilities, the presence of human audio, so which you need is and detecting whether the speaker is finished or not. So the major challenge is like to identify it's a human or not. Second is like detecting whether the speaker has finished the conversation or not. That's a second concern which we have to think about it. And then automatic speech recognition to know right how the speech, what rate the speech has to be converted into the text. And there might be a different countries or different geographical region, people started using a different slang and languages, and we have to understand how to leverage that and then provide those information. And the second one is like the major core part, like to answer the responses whenever we get those speech, which is going to be a continuous speech, which may get it. And sometimes we might lose the audio files during the conversation, but something has to come up and try to uh, build the missing pieces together. So that's where LLMs and LLM agents are right fit to respond those transcribe queries and understand the context with their deep knowledge capabilities and then convert them into the text to speech capabilities, because LLMs agents usually create or talk into the text format. But the great choice is like we can build the emotional AI with the capabilities of like understanding real-time user behavior and with the help of couple of images, and then with the text how he's gonna communicating, then synthesize this voice and then generate into the real audio that's gonna engaging to the customer experience, that's gonna enhance the customer experience. So let's go into the build the real pipeline to take the user query from there to take the speech to text, and then you can use free API tools which DeepGram, OpenAI. If you haven't watched out my previous videos, which I have highlighted, that OpenAI comes up with their own speech to text and text to speech capabilities, and you can use the LLM agentic flow. If you wanted to build more advanced, then you can build with the Crew AI capabilities of multi-agenting and LandGraph, and then on top of it, like analyze and evaluate how this agent is going to perform to it. So this is a kind of a pipeline you need to think whenever you are going to build voice agent.